Today I'm gonna be showing you how to do a custom ringtone. So basically, you can get one, whatever you want, like a song or whatever. So first, you will want to go to this app. Let me show you the name real quick. Ringtone maker. Click create ringtone from audio photo library. Click the audio you want for your ringtone or whatever, or alarm. Then you have to adjust it 30 seconds or less, but it can't be under 5, I think. Click there. And go to storage band when you share. And then click and hold your ringtone, share, and then click ringtone again. And then continue. Click continue. Rename it. You can rename it whatever you want, but of course not inappropriate. And then click OK. Use sound as, and you can click whatever you want. Standard for ringtone. And then go to settings. Go to sounds and haptics, and then click ringtones, and you can click your ringtone. Bye.